Green tea has caffeine content, alongside a flavonoid called catechin, a kind of cancer prevention agent. The cancer prevention agent properties in green tea assist with expanding digestion and separating the additional fats from the body. Benefits of green tea are weight loss, dental benefits, lowers heart disease risk, supports brain functioning, regulates blood pressure. Black coffee is the unmixed piece of coffee where there's no milk or sugar. It is plentiful in nutrients like B2, B3, B5 and has cancer prevention agents compounds. Black coffee has no fats or starches since it doesn't have milk and sugar. However, it is prompted not to devour more than 2 to 3 cups of black coffee any other way. It can misfire too. Benefits of black coffee are beneficial for the heart, energizes body and brain. Black coffee for weight loss, reduce stress and anxiety, rich with antioxidants. Conclusion: both help in different ways. However, green tea is considered to be better than black coffee when it comes to weight loss. On the other hand, black coffee is better than green tea in fighting against health conditions like cancer, heart-related diseases, and many more. Bye, see you in next video.